The mysterious foldable smartphone has been the subject of speculation for months, but the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 model is now causing a stir in the tech community. All signs point to Samsung preparing to launch a second model of the Galaxy Z Fold this year. It seems like Samsung is on schedule to launch a high-end version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Whether it is called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra or Slim, it could only be available in China and South Korea. The phone was certified in South Korea, which greatly increased the excitement for its launch the following month. A phone with the model number SMF958N was reportedly featured on the Safety Korea certification website, which would indicate a late September release, according to 91 Mobiles. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim unveiling is rumored to happen on September 25th. Rumors also suggest that the gadget may be known as the Samsung Galaxy W25 in China, in addition to the anticipated launch schedule. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 launch is anticipated to be a smaller version of the previously released Galaxy Z Fold 6. As the name implies, this is the case. Even if it may not quite equal the Honor Magic V3's slimness, it is perhaps Samsung's slimmest foldable 2 yet. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim is predicted to be around 10mm thick when closed, whereas the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is 12.1mm thick. The next Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which has the same model number, will include a front camera with 10 megapixels on its cover display, according to recent claims from Galaxy Club. The primary and telephoto cameras are yet unknown, however the back camera system is expected to have a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens. Sources close to under wraps suggest that this model may significantly improve the under-panel camera. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim is anticipated to include a 5MP UPC camera, which is an upgrade over the Galaxy Z Fold 6's present 4 megapixels camera. Samsung is forced to stay up with Chinese manufacturers as they continue to develop with foldable devices that are lighter and thinner. The backplate of Samsung's upcoming models is expected to be made of titanium, replacing the carbon fiber reinforced plastic used in the company's current Galaxy Z Fold models. The Galaxy Z Flip series already has a more streamlined profile than many of its competitors. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.